Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you have seen in the title, I'm going to be telling you when is the right time to make love to your wife. Of course, vice versa, but no, this is emphasis. I'm laying emphasis on the women. Okay, my name is Gloria and I speak about faith, relationship and lifestyle. If you're new to this channel, what have you been waiting for? Where have you been? Welcome to the community. All right, so please subscribe to the channel, like this video, because I know you're going to enjoy it. You're going to learn something from this video. I'm just going to be dropping facts and gems here and there, okay? But I'm very sure you're going to learn something from this video because I'm a wife, I'm a woman, two of them, and I'm a mother. Yes, let me not forget that one. I wasn't a mother. So the first thing I want you to know, before I give you the first point, is that when it comes to making love with your wife, there are no wrong times. There are only wrong atmospheres, okay? A woman can be ready for you depending on how you arrange the atmosphere for her, okay? And I've heard a lot of people say that, oh, if you want to have sex with your wife at the end of the day or in the night, whatever it is, try to take care of her from the morning. Immediately you wake up in the morning, start to, be gentle with her, speak nicely to her. So my own take on that is, you must not, why should you do all of these things only on the day that you want to sleep with me? Not me, with her. So just because that day is the day that you've decided to have sex with her in the night, I don't know, maybe you guys have planned it. Just because it's that day, that means you start talking to her nicely from the beginning. You wake up in the morning, oh babe, how are you? This, that. You will not be pretending. My own take on this is you should do this regularly. You should do this every time. Immediately you get married to her, in fact, before you even get married to your wife, plan to love her intentionally every single day. All right, because you're going to need sex and you want her to be responding and moaning to you very well. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. Don't just do it on that day that you want it. Do it every time. All right, you're making her ready for you anytime. So number one, wife is always make her happy. I know you're not the source of her joy. You're not even supposed to be the source of her joy and happiness. You're only supposed to be like a major part of it, but you're not the only part. You're not her El Shaddai and all of that, right? Jesus can only give her the kind of joy and happiness that she needs, and other things in her life will contribute to the joy that will make her complete. You understand what I'm saying? But try your best to always make her happy. As a woman and as a lady that I am very particular about, we are very particular about how we feel. Find out the things that make your wife happy. If it's going out, if it's quality time, try to make her happy. Okay? Number two, if you are at home, if you're a working class husband or whatever work you do, but the time that you are at home, make sure that you are present with her when you're at home. Okay, don't be at home and then you are not at home mentally. You're only at home physically. When you are at home, be present. If she's cooking, help her out in the kitchen. Even if her love language is not act of service, guess what? Women will remember it when they are in bed with you. This man help me cut onions. Let me onionize this feeling for him. I'm not joking. I'm very serious. These little things, ladies are like babies. Okay? If you help them in these little things, you are going to enjoy it later. So be present whenever you are with her. Number three, give her money. See, come close. Money does wonders. I'm not even talking about being materialistic. I'm talking about being intentional. If your wife doesn't want to sleep with you, you are broke. If your wife is not getting wet for you, your bank account is screaming empty. Guy, I'm not capping. I'm not joking. As a man, listen, a wife can be in bed with her husband and he can be on top of her. She will remember, even if she's mourning and responding to you, she will remember that this one I'm not giving me money for like 1 month or like 2 weeks. She will just off immediately. Engine that is on will just go off. You know why? Women want intentional men that can provide for them. It's not even about the amount of money you give to them. It is the intentionality. It is the show of care, the show of affection that makes her wet. It's not even how you touch her. Even if you learn all the styles in the world, if you don't give your woman money, your wife, not any woman, if you don't give your wife money, she might just be pretending. Pretense can just take you like what? Because the marriage is forever. Do you get? Do you want her to be pretending for a few months? How about the years to come? So please, try to get something. The little that you have, share with her. Not every time you don't have. Give her something. I don't want to call an amount. Anything in your capacity, give it to her, because when you want to have sex with your wife, listen, I'm telling you, I'm not lying. She remembers everything. She remembers the day that she asked for money for her, you did not give her. I'm telling you. If you did not do something to counter that memory, she's just going to do as if she's liking the sex that you're having with her. She's not enjoying it at all. She's not enjoying it at all. Any woman that says, hey God, I love my husband gives it to me very well. Check out, that man gives the woman money. And I'm not saying money is like a weapon or anything, but money helps. Money helps to make her wet the more. I'm serious, okay? The 4 ways to make it the right time to have sex with your wife is have foreplay, okay? So we're not like men. Women are not like men that just go straight into the point and all of that. Women want caressing, they want touching. I know maybe some of you know this already because you cannot be married and you don't know all of these things, but let me just say it, all right? Women want touching. So please, foreplay is very important. Don't just go right into it, okay? There are some times you go right into it, but it should not be all the time, okay? Foreplay is very important. Foreplay is when you take advantage of getting to know each other's body, right? That God has given to you. Enjoy yourselves, okay? Songs of Solomon will deal with that. Go and read that book. As a married person, you will learn a lot. So, touch yourselves, right? Make her wet. Let her know that you love her body. Not just because you want to have sex, but because you appreciate her body, regardless of how it looks, okay? Regardless of if she has given birth, regardless of if she has added weight, regardless of if, and all of that, right? Just make her feel good. If you don't like the way she smells, tell her. If you don't like the underwear she wears, tell her. Don't just keep quiet. Say it in a way that will make her want to change, not make her want to remain in that state. So communication matters, all right? I don't want this video to be too lengthy. That's why I'm just rushing things like that. So foreplay is very important. The last point I'm going to give to you, number five, is that for emergency sex, because there is planned sex in marriage and there's emergency sex, okay? Emergency sex is when somebody is traveling and there's no time to, let's unwind. Let's take it small. No, there's no time for that. Babe, I want this thing sharp. I'm traveling, or she's going out, and then you're like, you can't leave me like this. You cannot go. You can't leave me like this. I want something. So that's emergency sex. And for a woman, before she starts to get wet for you, if she's not ovulating, it's going to take like 15-20 minutes and even more. You need time. You need to be patient. So if you don't have that time, use lubricant, okay? Buy lubricant. Please don't use vegetable oil. Don't use Vaseline. Don't use Wivon oil. Don't use all of these things because they are very dangerous. Don't use lip gloss. This thing, don't use it, please. Go and buy what is recommended, okay, for your sexual pleasure and satisfaction. So if you have gotten to the end of this video, to this point right now, take kiss for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow me. I'm on Facebook. Yeah, I'm on Facebook and also here on YouTube. Okay, so like the video and share it and save it. Download it and save it and be watching it again so that you will remember all the things I'm saying. Okay, and yes, thank you so much again for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video just like I did making it. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.